I'm about to do my first weigh-in. So this is me on July 31st. There's the date, y'all can see it. July 31st. Scale. Okay, so the scale says 208. 208.4. I'm just documenting the journey, okay? So we'll see how far I get and what I do. This is just a diary, okay?
I remember feeling heavy, like seriously heavy, overweight. I was happy with my mental mind state, but I wasn't happy with the reflection that I was seeing in the mirror. And I remember thinking to myself, I want to change. I want something different for my body, for my lifestyle. I want to do something really drastic. And I want to feel good doing it. And I knew that I was the type that if I didn't adopt a lifestyle that I can stick to long term, it wouldn't last. Because I don't like doing something that I don't like to do, period. So I was already vegan, and I decided if I clean it up and just do all whole foods and work out, that's something that I can stick to. And I did, and I'm doing it, and I'm happy doing it. 2 months into my journey, I can remember looking in the mirror thinking to myself, yes, who is this woman that I'm seeing in the mirror? The weight was falling off. I would go into my closet and be able to put on clothes that I would never be able to fit before my weight loss journey started. I remember looking back at videos that I had recorded while editing and thinking to myself, yes, that face is deflating. Each time, more and more you can see, it's like a light was just radiating off of my face. Something happened, and what happened was health. Health happened, and you can just see it all in my face. The healthy foods that I was eating was reflecting what you see when you look at me. And the thing about health is it's not just for me. It's not just for one person. Health doesn't discriminate. It can be for me, for your mom, for your grandma, for you, for your kids. It doesn't just have to be for one person. And the thing is, I'm still dwelling on the fact that this happened to my body. 90 pounds. 90 pounds. I can remember posting before and afters, and you guys would flood me with support on Instagram, even still to this day, even here on YouTube. So thank you guys. It's crazy. It's amazing to go from being 208 pounds to being 118 pounds. I am so elated, so excited, just beyond, you guys. And the thing is, I stayed focused throughout this whole time. I stayed focused because I know if I stay focused, nothing else can get in my way. Another thing I did was I stayed dedicated. I was dedicated to my health. I was dedicated to me, and I knew I wanted to change. And I stayed determined. Determination is everything. I woke up every morning knowing what I wanted to do, knowing the results I wanted to see. And I stayed patient. I knew that if I stayed patient, something would happen. And it did. And I'm happy. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And follow me on Instagram if you want to at Keisha +4. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video.